friends, so in this series of SQL we are doing joins, and this time we will learn about right join in SQL. So what we will do in write down, like if we have two tables and we have rows in both the tables, so it will take all the data from our table 2, from our right table, and even the common data. So it will show all the data from our table 2 and even the common data. So this way we can create the right join. So to create that, first of all I will show you my tables here. So if I will go here, like we have created a database school, then we will use this database and we create a student table. So in our first part we have created that, you can see that where we have seen left join, but now we are doing the right join. So we have created student table, student ID, integer, primary key and name varchar. So we have a two column here, student ID and name, and in the second table we have course ID and student ID. So we have already created them and inserted some data in them also. Like in student table we have 4 rows and in course we have 2, 1 and 2. So these are unique, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, these are unique because they are primary keys. And where we have created in the course ID, in course table we have created a foreign key. So we have connected student ID with our students with students table. In student in course table we have created a primary key of students here. So we have created a foreign key here. Now let's see how to create your right join. To create a right join here, I will first of all see my student table here. I like to show you my student table. The database name is our school 1, so I have to check where is the school 1 here. So here is the school 1 and here is our course table. If I will select over this, it will show 2 datas, and if I will again click over this and go to the student table, select this, it will show us 4 data. So now this is our table 1, student is our table 1 and course is our table 2, and we are looking for a right join. So to create the right join, first of all we have to write the command from our left table. So we will select the table name is students. So first of all I will take students dot student ID. So we want to see the student ID, comma students. I will again take the student table dot, and this time I will take name, and the other thing is I will take your course is our next table, and then I will put dot and I will put here course ID, and where we have to put from table, from our students I will take the name of the table, so from students. So this is the thing which we want to show because both table have a private foreign key there, and then I will put here right join with our courses. So it will right join our courses, and then I will put on. So we have a student table here, from students dot student ID equal to students, sorry, not student, this time we will take courses dot student ID. So this is the key which is common in both of the data, so that will help us to create the right join. So if you will click, it will show only the data of our right table only. So we have 2 data there. Common data is this one which is shown in both the tables. So if I will click on this table, it will see all the data like 1, 2, 3, 4, and if I will take course here, student dot courses, so it will show us this 1 and 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, but the common data between them, it's like if you will right join them and run this, so it will show all the data from our table 2, where we have 2 data in our table 2. So it is only showing data of table 2. So that's all in this video. But one thing we can also do, like we can even give the shortcuts also, like if you like to give, like if S here and student name is also S, course name is also S, and then what you can do, like here also courses is also joined with S dot student, and here we have to define, here we have to give this. So now what we need to do, like wherever we have this, we have just given the short names, and if we want to change the short names here, so what we are doing there, we will put one more thing, like in place of students we have write your S, and now where we have a student, what we will do there, we will put as S here, as S, and join as C. So we can even use this way also this time, and press run, so it will show the same thing again. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for